Hello, this is Deanne from Small But Kinda Mighty, and I wanted to share with you that I have just posted to my website a free 20-page digital download for a planetary sensory activity. The download includes recipes for sensory bins for each of the 8 planets, as well as fun facts for each planet, some science stuff, and ideas for sensory play. I've put together some pictures and video of myself and my son Oliver playing with these sensory bins. First up is Mercury, which has very little in the way of atmosphere, so it tends to get pummeled by meteors.
Watch this. Told you I can do it.
I knew you could do it.
This is so sandy.
I know, right? But it clumps together too. It's kind of cool. What do you think?
Next is Venus.
Yeah, do you want to do Venus next?
Yes.
Whoa, look at these volcanoes.
And I'm gonna touch it.
Do you want to do another volcano?
Yes, I will do another volcano. Okay. Go.
Go. Oh my goodness. And what do we know about Venus?
Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system.
True.
It's covered in volcano. It's surrounded by volcanoes, and it's much hotter than Mercury.
Right, and even though it's further away from the sun.
And its surface, nobody wants to visit that planet.
No way.
I'm gonna touch it.
Okay, go for it.
Oh, its volcanoes are so exploding.
Are they? What's gonna happen when I pull my fingers over here? Whoa! It goes solid when you push down on it.
It's so solid.
Okay, hang on. Now I'm gonna grab a handful.
That's so solid.
Whoa!
Wow, I touched the goo.
Look at that goo.
Time for our quiz.
All right, tell me all about Saturn.
Shall we do Saturn?
Yeah.
Okay, Saturn is a planet. Saturn is a planet with rings. It's the second largest planet in our solar system, and it has 60 moons.
60? That's crazy. So click the link in the description to get to the free digital download. And if you like free educational resources, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.